How you doing, Chuck? I'm over here at your place. I'm just going to do a quick little video for you so we can both be on the same page as far as some of the housekeeping items that I think we should do prior to actually putting your home on the market. To begin with, we should definitely get a cleaning crew in here to sweep out the front area here, to wipe off the walls, kind of make the entryway a little bit more presentable. It's hard to see on the video, but there's bugs and spider webs all mixed in all over here in the entryway, over in the corner above the fire extinguisher. It just could use a little sprucing up. There's just junk all over the sills here, so we want to make sure that the first impression is a good one as we go inside. For the most part, very simple things that we need to touch up. The bathrooms should be cleaned out. The toilets look pretty rough, and if somebody takes a look, that's not very presentable there. I would also say the bathtub needs a wiping down. The carpet in the guest bedroom is actually not in bad shape. It really just needs a vacuum here in the guest bedroom. Other than that, the guest bedroom's pretty good as far as the paint's concerned. Really not much in the way of touching up needed. It is dark in these front bedrooms, the way that they sit. I would recommend that these lights here, that we change them out to something like a reveal light bulb, something that's going to allow a little bit more room, or light in the room rather. It does help. And I also always, for these verandas, I always leave the front 2 bedroom lights on, because those 2 bedrooms, the master and this one, are always dark. So I like to change those light bulbs out, put reveal bulbs in there, something where it's a brighter white. That way it allows more light. It's a better first impression. Coming back into place, there's just various areas on the walls that have scratches and smudges around. So we should have somebody come through with a little paintbrush and the sample canister that you still have here, and go through and touch up the walls. Touch up things like, here you have this black scratch against the master door. The carpet in the master bedroom it's all right. It's not in great shape. I think we should get somebody in here to clean the carpet. You can see those spots on the floor, all those dark marks. Those are all stains on your carpet there. So we should definitely get those out, and we can do that easily with a carpet cleaner. Also, by the same token, throughout the place, you've got all these little areas that we should take these all out of the walls, repaint over it, spackle it, and then of course the cleaning and whatnot. We've got bugs lining up all over the windowsill here. Again, another tack in the wall there. Smudges on the paint here, all down here as well. This is all stuff that's much more visible to the eye while I'm here than it is probably on this video. But there's quite a bit in the master that I think we need to touch up here. The master bath is actually in okay shape as far as the countertop areas, the mirrors, the light bulbs. Again, getting the toilet clean is something that we should definitely do. And then also this bath here, this shower, it's really dirty in here. I think we need to get that cleaned. And that can all be taken care of by the one cleaning company. And then coming back into the main areas, the laundry is actually in good shape here. The hallway is in good shape. The great room area here, again, we have these nails in the walls that we should address. Joe Cromaldi, he's been using it as a place to hang his marketing material, but it's really not attractive. We should take these all out, get these all repaired and filled. Also, there's just some other touch-up paint areas on the walls. Here, there's all black striping here. Um, there's all these sticky tacks down there on the floor. There's spider webs in the corners. Again, more nails that we should address here. The floors are dirty. There's just signs of insect intrusion, things of that nature. So the floors are dirty. They need to be swept and mopped. Coming into the kitchen area, the kitchen area is not too bad as a whole, as far as paint, things of that nature. Again, all the windowsills, we have spider webs growing everywhere, dead bugs laying around. Simple things, they come in and do some of the paint. We should recaulk this right here. Those are all little things that my folks notice. In the pantry here, relative good shape. Need a little touch-up paint down there. There's just stuff lying around all over the place in the kitchen. If people are coming to see your place and this is what it looks like, it's not really a good first impression. I don't know if you can see on the floor there, but there's a lot of dirty spots there. You got trash underneath the sink. This is what your sink looks like right now. You've got papers and things laying around. So if people come in here and open up your cabinets and things of that nature, it's just not presentable seeing all this stuff laying around. That's not how I would want to market your place. The cooktop is really dirty here. The microwave is also dirty. There's some caked on stuff here along the back wall there as well. So these are just all things that, even though they're super simple and super minor to take care of, they're all things that take away from the look and feel of your place versus one of the new construction units. Just random stuff left in the fridge, even though it just seems so minor, just have a pack laying around. I promise you that people are going to be looking at the new construction and saying, well, why do I want something that is dirty already when they can get something that's brand new? Outside of this area, the den's not in bad shape, except for you do have one other screw up here in the wall, but otherwise the den's in pretty good shape. You can tell how dark it is in here as well, so I would recommend changing out these lights in here along with the 2 bedrooms to something that's going to brighten up these rooms a little bit more for you. Outside of that, the back lanai could just use a little sweep out. So the cleaning crew can just come in and get rid of all the dirt that's accumulating in the corners. But that's it. So just a quick recap. We need to get a cleaning crew in here, clean the place up top to bottom, and get a handyman in here to paint all the smudges off the walls, take all the nails out, spackle them, paint over. But that's really the majority of what we have to deal with is cleaning and some touch-up paint and getting rid of just all the clutter that's laying around in this kitchen here. All right, I will be in touch with you here by phone later today, and we'll discuss getting somebody in here to take care of these items.